we're actually bringing out some truths. Peel back the layers of all this fluff.
Shining the light on this industry as a whole.
Maybe you should stay away from it.
Cheers! To water.
To water.
To water.
Hey guys, Tim Brady here. Brittany Carr,
Jim
Jim
Schott
Schott.
with Lathrop Bendon. We just got done setting up a nice water cooler in their office, and you can have it as well.
Super excited. I was super excited to see you come in until he asked me if Brittany was my daughter.
Apparently we look alike.
They do. Tim acts old for his age, so I apologize.
That's all good. It's good.
Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, hey. I'm not even gonna go there. But and if you start saying who's your daddy,
That's weird.
then that's a problem.
Did you get a baby daddy card for Father's Day?
No, I did not.
Office Dad.
I can be the office dad, and I will take that. But anyway, really thankful you came in today. We were just talking about, well, it's actually John and I were talking about, getting back to the fundamentals of the things that you have to do in your life that, without certain things like exercise, water, then, things just don't go right. So you got to pay attention to the key, the fundamentals, and water is right there. So appreciate you coming in.
Stay hydrated, especially on hot days like yesterday and today, and actually this week, kind of.
Do you know any fun facts about water? You know anything you can throw out there?
Fun facts. The average male needs 13 cups of water, and the average woman needs 9. But I need more than that.
So you're assuming that the average male is larger than the average female?
I guess.
Usually.
Or
more
it depends on how
mass.
active.
Yeah.
Gotta be more.
It's good for your muscles.
So you do more than that though. What else do you do?
Our main thing is our vending that we do. We do the soda snacks, Bonfay markets, all kinds of coffee from fresh brew, K-cups, to pods, to fresh grind.
Did you have one that was called Jamaican Meat Crazy?
Jamaican Meat Crazy, we just brought that in. It's one of
That was really
it's
good.
Fancy. Yeah,
Yeah, it's good.
We got that. Tropical coconut is Green Mountain's biggest one now.
Yeah.
We
And
got,
what's your territory? Where are you?
we do everything from the Connecticut River into Middletown.
Yeah.
We do Pratt and Whitney down into Middletown, all the way up to the airport. We do all the vending up there at the airport and all the prisons on the eastern part.
You must like that.
The prisons?
Yeah.
Haven't had to go yet, thank God.
Okay. So it's great. The coffee's great. Everything's great that he has. The only downside is everybody has to run and dash to see you.
Yeah, that's the downfall. You got to deal with me doing business, but there's a price to pay for everything.
Yeah.
There really is. And the best part, I work for a family business, and once you're our customers, we treat you all like family, like they've done to me coming in here today. So.
We happen to be in BNI together. One of the best guys that I've met. So anything we can do to help Jim helps us. This is one big community. So.
Well, I'm sure givers give, and that's all I care about is giving. I don't need to receive to be happy. I can't say that to the owners because they depend on me to sell.
And you do a great job at it, so we appreciate it.
Yeah. And I'm surrounded by a bunch of good people out BNI, and it just makes me want to go every week. And, we have fun.
We do have fun. Right, usually at the expense of Deb Kane and Jade.
Yes.
Jody actually is the butt of a lot of our jokes as well.
And Jason can sneak in there with his dry sense of humor.
Yeah, but he's an attorney, so we don't haze him too much.
No, because we get
the repercussions.
Yeah.
Pick your battles.
So yeah, we'll bring you in. If you want to sub for us,
you gotta go in.
We'd love to have you sub if you would.
Want to sub for me Thursday? You know about water.
That's awesome.
Let me tell you something about water.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers to you guys.